Yo, what's up guys? In today's video I've got another 3.5 kg haul. It was sponsored by Cnfans, so let's get straight into it. So as you can see right here, we have 3 items. One of them is Nike SBs, a shirt and another dunk. So let's unbox them. These are the Nike SB Dunk Lobsters. As you can see, they did a great job on the stitching and also the swoosh. And these are from the M batch. Now they do come with extra laces and a rubber band. Up next we have a smaller box for the dunks. As you can see, these are the olive dunks. They did a great job on the coloring. This is also from the VT batch. And at last we have the Dennis Rodman tee. As you can see, it's quite big. In total these items cost $90, but shipping was $45, which is very cheap. This was a 3.5 kg haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and leave a like and subscribe, as well as go to my link in the bio and go to Cnfans and buy something. They are very cheap and better than Panda Buy.